Bro, they sent a van for me. That's crazy. Let's go. Just arrived at the airport here in Gran Canaria, and we're gonna go to the hotel now. Hey guys, from Gran Canaria. So quick intro to the vlog. I am here again in Gran Canaria, exactly 1 year after I did the Love Island app. But this time I'm in my own trailer, which is pretty cool. This is the place where we're shooting, and I'm gonna have someone come in to check my hair and just do makeup, I think, test. Also, we're gonna finish the costume checks before we shoot on Saturday. So I have a tiny role, but you know, small steps before you get into bigger things, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity. So thanks to my agent and everyone supporting me so far on this journey still, and just yeah, really excited. As I said, I literally have like a couple of lines, maybe not even that, but as long as I make it into the final cut, glad to be part of this massive project, you know. can see they've just cut my hair because of the shoot. It looks a bit odd because it's really short. Probably the shortest I've had it in the last 2 years. But it is what it is. I need to sacrifice for the shoot, and I happily did so. And we're here with Brian, just checking out the infinity pool. It's absolutely lovely, man. Like, we actually got this whole pool to ourselves. This entire pool, just for Chip and Brian. How cool is that? And I do wonder, where did all the people go? Because it's been like empty for the last couple of hours. And where do all the the hotel residents go to? Where do they have fun around this time? It's so empty, it's like a ghost town. Anyways, I'm just gonna chill. I'll swim for a bit more and then probably go to find a place to eat with Brian. And tomorrow, gonna do a bit of horse riding, I think, in the morning. We just booked it because we felt like it's gonna be fun. And then explore the rest of Las Palomas and resort. Following that, Saturday we'll be shooting. So I'm really excited. So I'm just sitting on a horse, casually, as you can see. I'm riding a horse for the first time in my life, properly, and it's fun. It's fun, thanks to Spirit here, because he's a good champ, so it's making it relatively easy for me. But yeah, what an experience. Big thanks to Brian for taking me in and on this adventure as well, of course. Whoa. So I just finished hair and makeup and I'm going to get dressed in my costume and probably head off to set. So let's check it out. This is my trailer, by the way. So cool that I have my own one. And here are the clothes. By the way, this hair, not the biggest fan of it, but it's what I need for the role, so oh gosh. It is what it is. I'm in full kit now. I'm driving to set and the scenery is lovely, as you can see. We're ready.
They did something also in the island. You go 10 kilometers further up or down and it's completely different.
Damn. It's crazy.
This was in Tenerife also. to set was in the north.
You're slowly replacing north.